Okay. I have my shotgun ready. Okay. It's too hard. Hi guys. Hi guys, it's me, Shotgun Reed. Yeah, I can see that. What are you doing? What are you doing to do? Nothing. Why are you here? I don't know. I don't know. Why? I don't know. Well, why you? I don't know. You hear Joe? You hear Joe? Yeah, I hear Joe. Hmm? What do you do? What do you do? Across the room. Why? So you can do tick-tock. Yeah, that's funny. Oh, why? You hear that other Joe? Knock knock. Who's there? What? Oh. Oh. Sorry. Cowboy hat. Cowboy who? Cowboy hats are everywhere. Ah, yes, that's fine. Oh. Well, you want to win? You want my joke? Why did cow eat the grass? Why? So why did piggy eat the grass? That's not funny. That's not funny. You hear joke? Why did cow moo? What? Second moo in the house. Yep, that's funny. That's so funny. I did that. Go. Bye, you guys. I'll get more. Well, bye, guys. I'll get more of the Pluses Shotgun Red videos coming soon, right? Right. It's coming soon. It's coming soon, guys. Watch out. Leave my channel.